Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. You probably noticed we're focused on the 12.3-inch touchscreen for a particular reason. You'll see this in the Pilots, the Passports, and the Accord hybrids. But we're going to talk about what to do when you have a profile saved in the system, but you don't have the access code because you just got this car and the previous person did not delete it, or who knows what's going on, okay? So how can you delete one of these bad boys? Because you don't know the password, you can't get in there and delete it. Well, it's quick and easy. Let me show you guys how to do that, okay? So you'll sign into Guess. Hit OK. And then from there, we're going to go to the next page. We're going to select General Settings, System Settings. Then on the top corner on where it says Systems right here in this tab, you're going to hit the top corners, just like that. It's a pause and hold. You may take a couple temps on this. It may take up to 10 seconds, okay? So let's try that again. The corner and corner, top corners of that little box. There we go. You get this screen right there. You go down to Detailed Information. The next one, you go to Function Setup. And then you want to clear right there, backup data clear, clear all, and hit yes, confirm, yes, confirm. It's going to do its thing. We're going to pause the video. Actually, you know what? We don't need to pause it. It was pretty quick and easy. Give it a second, it's going to load right up. This may take a brief moment. All right, we're going to pause it. All right, so now the screen is going to load here quick. Now, once the screen is loaded, you'll see it's going to tell you to push and hold the power button for 2 seconds. 1, 2. Beeps at you. So this is like a hard reboot. Now you have to create a new profile, okay? It wipes everything out from that point. We're going to hit Setup, type in whatever you want for your name. Hit OK, check. And then you get all of the steps that you have to do to create a profile. And then you can go in there and save your settings. But once again, this video is just to show you guys how to erase that profile or all the profiles that you don't have the codes to get in there to reset. So there we go, guys.